guys, and welcome back. And today I am up to my final cleaning zone, but this is not the final lot of this series. I definitely want to show you guys what I do as more of a weekend reset, just as like a kind of like a top-up clean, just to give it that little bit, tiny bit of a tidy up. And I also want to share with you just some like additional things that you might need to think about. I will definitely post that in another video. So today's zones is the bedrooms. I only have a 3-bedroom house, so my house is going to be a lot smaller than some other people's houses. I suppose I can get through my full house clean in 3 days, where other people, you know, their zones might take longer to clean, or they're going to have to spread it out over more days than what I do. But the idea behind this is so that you're not doing any cleaning on the weekend. As I said, I do a top-up clean and that's it. Let's get stuck into this video because I am losing daylight. This is only from a week ago and look at all the dust already. It's crazy, hey?
Shot in the dark, my heart it goes crazy. Too much symmetry, fall into it. I wanna drift asleep, tangled in your sheets. I wanna hear you say my name forever. Tell me I'm ecstasy, everything you need. I wanna know you'll chase me to the clouds. I can see it in my head, it's better than the others. I know it could be the best, yeah, I could be your lover. You don't cross my mind cause you're living it. If you were all mine, it'd be a thing. Baby, let me love you, yeah, I wanna be your lover. Slow motion falling into your emotion.
Okay, before I start mopping, I thought I would share with you what the room actually looks like. So this is the dresser, which is looking pretty good. You can see I haven't done absolutely everything in the room. Like this picture hasn't been done, this window hasn't been done, but I just doing just the basics, and this is what I do each week. Then I can add the other things to monthly schedules, and just days that I, you know, maybe ahead on the cleaning and I wanted just to get another couple of things done. So that's what we're looking like from that angle. It's such a small room, like you got no idea. It's hard to record in here sometimes. But yeah, it's looking pretty good, pretty clean, and I'm pretty happy with the result. Anyway, I'm just going to mop in here and then we're going to get on to the next rooms. This room has been left in a bit of a state, thanks little miss. Anyway, crap just everywhere. You can see my sister was lovely enough to give us a glitter kit, and she's been doing her glitter things all over the bedroom, making lovely glitter tattoos. So yeah, thanks sis, thanks. Mission accomplished. So much better. Oh, it feels so good to have the room back to its former glory again. Oh, and I hate to say to myself, but I can still see glitter on the floor. You guys probably won't, but there is tiny little baby speckles of glitter on this floor that have just not come out. You know, it's one of those things that haunts you for a long, long time. But anyway, it does look a damn sight better than what it was, so I'm still happy at that. This is why I hate having a 3rd bedroom when I don't need one, because I just throw shit into it because no one's using it. And it is very, very annoying. So yes, I will end up going back through this, but I got a little bit carried away in her stationery drawers, which has probably already messed it up already. No, she hasn't. Look at that. Look, it's so nice. So yeah, I just organized all them into different pencil cases so they can go to different people, because she does not need all this stationery. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like basically 5 lots of pencil case stuff, and then they've got all these drawers full. So yeah, we don't need it all. Anyway, I'm not going to worry too much. I am just going to clean the floors and stuff in here, and that's about it tonight, because we've all got better things to do than clean, right? I will get back to it, yes, but yeah, just not tonight. You know, it's just one of those things. You just got to tackle it as you can go. It should not take you any longer than an hour to do a zone. Like, really, it should take you probably 40 minutes to do each zone in your house. But yeah, the kitchen, obviously, in my case, is going to be a huge one. But the bathroom, toilet, and these ones here, these are like half an hour, 40 minutes, like really quick whipping up zones. So anyway, I'm going to finish off and eat some dinner. I kind of somehow made the room look worse than what it was. No, I popped everything up on there. Usually I would literally wipe this whole desk down and like just make it look pretty and dust everything and then do the floors, but it's in that kind of state. Anyway, and for Barbie Dreamhouse lovers, if you haven't seen, I did put my Barbie Dreamhouse on caster wheels. Yep. Just so much easier to move it around when you're cleaning, and move it around the house. If you don't want it in a room, you can move it from room to room when it's not getting used. So that is pretty much it, guys.